I'm sorry, what?
You can't tell her to come get me?
To come get you?
Yeah.
Front, and that's when it hit.
So she hit her first, and then she kind of ran over her, like, dude, and I saw, like, the car move.
But I'm asking you, you're a f***ing detective. I don't work this job.
I don't know why you're getting all worked up.
You have a pulse?
I'm a f***ing nurse, and I take care of really sick
Listen,
people.
you're adult enough to get into an accident tonight, so it's time to act like one.
No, please don't do this. Give me a couple minutes. I'm asking you.
Hit by the white car that's sitting over on the far side over there.
Oh, it's alright. Okay. She have a pulse?
Yeah, she's talking. Okay. Minutes. She's bleeding the back right now. Yeah, not pretty good though. But,
okay. So, who was driving the vehicle? Did that
I was
girl over
driving.
there? You were driving?
I was driving.
Okay.
Yep.
I was a witness.
Okay, yeah. Hang tight for me. So what happened?
Oh, nothing. I was turning left. I was coming onto this key. I was turning left. And she started driving in front, and that's when it hit.
Okay. If you don't mind, I'm going to speak to this gentleman. Could you just briefly, here, miss, we're going to walk away from you. Nothing against you. I just don't want the stories to get mixed up in you guys' heads.
As I was pulling up to the light, it turned red. I was probably on the 4th or 5th car line. I did notice the white car was first at the light to turn left.
Okay.
No lights on.
All right.
No lights.
Okay.
Light turns green.
It's over with, all right? So I'm going to give you all the information as far as the driver's exchange, stuff like that. There was green lights, right? And pedestrians have the right of way on a green light.
Just like
So I hear you.
familiar.
I hear you. Well, it's just, that part is the same, okay? Pedestrians definitely have the right of way, especially when they have the walk sign to go. Earlier I asked you if you had your lights on, and there's a reason why I specifically asked you that.
Which I did.
Okay. Reason is because I have 2 witnesses that were following you from the downtown area, watching your driving patterns, and were flashing their lights at you to get you to turn your lights on, which tells me that you may have had them on. All right. So at this time, I'm going to ask you: will you submit to field sobriety exercises?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's fine.
Do you see the tip of the pen?
Yep.
Okay. So what I want you to do, you understand the instructions? Just don't move your head. Follow with just your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
I almost threw my head there.
Hey, you almost did. It's all right. You're doing good.
I 100% want to move my head.
I hear you. All right. So this is gonna be a little different. Okay. I'm gonna spin it like this. Still see the
What
tip?
do you mean?
See this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna do a different movement now. Okay. You ready?
Okay. Hold on a minute.
Okay. All right. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. This exercise, as I explained, is called the one leg stand. Do you have any injuries?
No, that's fine.
Any injuries that may prevent you from doing this?
I don't have any injuries besides the fact that I have to go pee so bad.
All right. Whenever you're ready, you can start.
1,000, 2, 1,000. Was that good? Oh, you want more? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Almost done.
Oh, more? 16, 17.
You're good to go.
28?
You can stop. Okay.
Is that okay? I mean, I don't know. I'm not familiar.
I hear you.
I'm
I know.
sorry.
I hear you.
Sorry.
All right. So why don't we come over here?
Am I going to be able to go to the bathroom soon?
Yep. Absolutely. I promise you.
Really
We'll get you to the bathroom soon, okay? And then whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and begin.
1,
Missed on 1.
2,
Missed on 2.
3.
Missed on 3. Back 7. Back 8. And did not complete 9. Stepped off the line. At this point in time, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you turn around and have you face my vehicle, okay?
For what reason?
Because you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Can you turn around and face my vehicle for me?
Are you kidding?
I'm not kidding. So go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
I was driving under the influence, so you can take my shirt.
No, we're gonna keep it. We've got to keep it with you. No. Stop reaching, okay? Anything else in your pockets? All right, my back seat is clear and clean, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and jump in for me, all right?
How do I get out of jail? I'm just asking.
Come on.
Can you tell me though?
You're gonna see a judge in the morning, but we still have to do some other stuff
Oh,
at the
so
jail.
I have to sleep there?
Yes, ma'am.
There's no getting out.
Not tonight.
I rented the vehicle. She did not. I rented it.
I hear you, but she was driving, all right? Any person that is subject to arrest under DUI statutes, the vehicle it shall be towed. But here's where it can work out for you in a little bit. You can go straight to the tow yard and get it out because it is under you, okay? However, because I don't feel you're impaired, I will not put a hold on the vehicle. So that means I will not make it to where it's 24 hours. What I am gonna do though is those hard seltzers that are right behind the driver's seat, I'm gonna be taking all of those.
That's fine.
Okay? And any other alcohol that may be in the vehicle.
Can you tell her to come fucking get me?
I'm sorry, what?
You can't tell her to come get me?
To come get you?
Yeah, tomorrow. How the fuck else am I supposed to get out of here?
Are you good? All right, she's banging on your car pretty hard. Hello.
I apologize. It's not important. I'll go back. She wants to know if you have her phone.
Do you have my goddamn phone?
Was that it?
Who the fuck has my phone then? Who has my phone?
Is your phone in here?
No, that's what I'm saying. Where the fuck's my phone? Like, one of my...
That?
Excuse me, sir. Can I please? This is really kind of embarrassing, but can I get a? Okay, so what do you have of mine?
I have your wallet, your phone, your purse. That's it.
My breeze.
Your what?
My breeze.
What is that?
That vape.
No, that's gonna stay with your friend. The jail throws that away because you can't have it in jail.
Very good.
Okay, so the vape is staying with your friend, so she has that because it's not. It can't go to the jail. They won't allow it in there. Okay. Any other questions? Yes.
Hey, I've had to go pee for a while. I've told you that when I was standing outside. Can I please go
We
pee?
have to be at the jail. I'll bring you to the jail
I
in
know,
a second.
but I'm gonna pee like in your back seat. Like you don't
Please do
understand.
that. We're gonna leave right now.
I know, but like I have to pee. I don't care if you come inside the bathroom. I have to go pee.
There's nowhere
in
to pee
the
right
bathroom.
here. No, there is nowhere to pee right here.
I have to pee so bad.
Okay.
And you don't even
Give me a
fucking
couple
care.
minutes and we're gonna go. It's not that I don't care.
No, please. Please
Listen,
don't do this. Give
I
me a
have
couple
to.
minutes. I'm
No.
asking you.
I'm telling you there's no
I told you I had to fucking pee when you were doing a sobriety test. Alright, I'm about to piss on the floor. I can't even hold it. I literally cannot hold it. I get it. That's not how it works, but then I'm gonna go piss in the back seat.
I'm prepping it. They have to come and take your temperature, then we're out. Hold on. You just unbuckled your seatbelt. Look that way.
I can't go this way.
Hold on. Follow him. I'll be up there in a second, alright?
So what made me fail?
What was that?
What made me fail?
So this isn't, it's kind of a misconception. Field sobriety exercises, it's not a pass-fail type thing. It's a chance, it's an observation thing.
So what made me fail? To the point that you fucking put me under arrest. I can't ask that? I feel like I should be able to ask that. I think that's a very fucking fair question. My girlfriend, what happened to her? Scot-free?
Yeah, she wasn't driving.
Good for her.
Okay.
I'm glad she got to drive home. Drunk. Good for her. Catch one drunk, let the other one drive home.
No one drove anyway. The car was towed, so. The test itself is going to give you 3 opportunities to provide with 2 samples. Okay? Refusal to submit to the test I have requested is admissible into court in any criminal proceeding. You understand what I read to you?
No.
By refusing to take the test, your driving license will be suspended for a year.
What's that mean?
365 days, your driving privileges will be suspended, which means you cannot legally drive.
So can we go into terms of what happens when you blow? I'd love to know.
What do you mean?
And I feel like it's my right to know.
Sure, but I'm not understanding what you mean. What?
Okay, I blow and I'm under the limit. Then what?
Then we have
Then what?
Then we have that conversation.
No, but then what?
It's not how it works. So if you blow and you blow under, we have
Right.
that conversation about you blowing under, because then we have to figure out why you're showing signs of impairment. Okay.
But I'm saying, is your license suspended or?
Well, no, your license. If you're not DUI, why would your license be suspended?
Well, that's what I'm asking. Well, that's what I'm asking you. I don't fucking work this job.
Now you're asking me a specific question, which I can give you a specific answer.
Right.
But when you ask me open-ended, vague questions, I can only give you open-ended, vague answers.
I wasn't trying to ask you an open-ended, vague question.
I know, and it's not what you're trying to do, but you did. I've read you the implied consent warning. After hearing the implied consent warning, do you still wish to refuse the breath test, or you wish to take the breath test?
How do you do it?
Well,
Is it like really invasive? Is it scary?
it's just breathing. That's all it is.
What do you mean?
That's it. It's like blowing up a balloon.
Well, I'm not familiar, so
It's like blowing
I don't
up-
know. You're
it's-
kind of being like condescending because
it's
like
like-
I'm not familiar with it,
It's blowing up
so
a balloon.
you're being a little bit condescending. I'm asking you one more time. This is the last time I'm gonna ask you.
Okay.
So if I did not blow, would I be fucked for a year?
If you don't listen, you're asking me a legal question right now that I'm
No,
not.
I'm not asking you a legal question. I'm asking you if I don't blow.
You're suspended for a year.
That's what I'm asking you. It's not a legal question. It's a straight up fucking
It's not.
point blank.
I don't know why you're getting all worked up. So listen, the machine is asking me if you're going to provide a sample. Are you going to take the breath test or no?
Can you just show me what I do?
Yeah. So if you agree to take
If
it,
I do agree,
listen.
what
If
do
you
I
agree,
do? I'm very
it's
kind of
nothing.
freaked
You're gonna sit
out.
there. All you have to do is sit there. I just opened this. This is a mouthpiece. Listen, this is a tube. All I do is I hold the tube right like this. You put the mouthpiece in the tube and you blow.
Yeah, I'll go to jail.
Well, you're
Oh
at jail.
shit, I'm already in jail.
Yeah, so you're not gonna do
Perfect,
it?
Love it. What the fuck is the benefit for me blowing? That's all I'm
It's a
asking.
simple yes or no answer.
But I'm asking you.
I
You're a
cannot give
fucking
you-
detective.
I can't
you
give you
should
that.
tell me.
I can't give you that answer. I can't give you the benefits.
So I
of
can't
legal
blow?
advice. You can. I'm giving you the opportunity to blow right now if you would like to. I don't care what you do. If you want to
No, I'm
refuse.
just asking. I feel
Listen.
like you should be a man
Listen.
of the law and tell me what's
No,
up.
you're an adult. Okay? You make your own life decisions. You're above the age of 18 and you're above the age of 21. So you're an adult. You're adult enough to go downtown and drive around. You're adult enough to get into an accident tonight. You're adult enough for a lot of things. So it's time to act like one. So do you want to provide a sample or no?
Possibly.
It's a yes or no. It's no maybes.
What do I do? Do I just go like this? Is this
Take a
it?
deep breath in.
Wait, hold on. Like this?
Take a deep breath
Like-
in. Hold on. I'm showing you to do it. And then you blow as much air as humanly possible into that thing. And you just keep going and going. You can breathe hard. You're breathing very
Like
soft.
that?
You have to push air out, force air out,
I
as
just
much
did.
air. Yes, but you have to provide a lot of air though, because you got to push this machine.
But that's as far as I can go.
It's
What if that's not
doable.
enough?
I've seen people smaller than you do this. Well, I'm gonna hold it here so I can give you the opportunity, if you'd like to, put the mouthpiece into the tube there.
Sorry.
Perfect.
I'm 100% not blowing.
Okay, all right. I don't know why you think that's a bad thing.
You can be in here forever.
I don't know why you'd be in here forever. It doesn't make sense.
You already said that I was gonna be here forever.
I've never said those words.
Did you or did you not say earlier? You're like, you're gonna be in here forever.
No, I did not.
On God?
Yeah, and on recording, I've never told you you're gonna be here forever. It makes no sense. I don't say that.
So
Doesn't
I
say that.
can't ever leave?
Didn't say that either.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you, dude. That's like this is your fucking job, and I'm asking you what it looks like.
Does
for someone
anything,
like
hold on,
me.
does anything in your job or anything in your life require listening? Because I know,
I'm
hold
a
on.
fucking nurse, and I
Then-
take care of really
then
sick
listen.
people. So yeah,
Then listen.
absolutely.
Okay. So you've said you're a nurse 100 times, but you're not portraying yourself as someone that knows how to listen. So I need you to listen,
Oh baby. All right, continue.
okay? I've told you 100 times. All right, go ahead and stand up, go back to the original chair you were in. I'll give it to you when you get released.
Okay, my ID too. Or is that just gonna stay clipped on your chest
The ID? No, I'm keeping that. I'm serious, 100%.
forever?
It's suspended. You have to go get a new one.
How do I get a new one?
How do you get a new one?
How do I get on the fucking plane to go home? Is a better question.
Should probably call TSA and figure that out. All right, couple things before I release you. You're going to receive